Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1912th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. And you know what? The Oscarism style swing day, I am taking a bow. How about that, kids? Was that not insane? Yesterday I told you about the swing day. We would get ahead of the Fed and take this swing day anyway. And I'll tell you what, the Oscarism style swing day worked out perfectly. We got short, the market dumped, we got out, and it was a beautiful day. Before we get into the topics on the board, you must know that futures trading, stock trading, ETF trading, any type of trading these days, options, you name it, is extremely risky. Volatility has really expanded. If you don't know what you're doing, you can have your head chopped off here. You got to be really careful. You can lose way more than you had planned, especially when you trade futures. You need to know that. However, if you do know the rules and you place your stops first before you trade, and you don't trade alone, you come to livewithoscar.com, come to my live trading room where I will offer you a 2-week free trial to my membership where I can give you trading recommendations, where we're going to buy, where we're going to sell, where to place your stops, and of course, where to take profit when it comes. That I will give to you daily. We trade day and night, so it runs 24 hours a day. If you would like to receive those Omni signals from me when we're going to buy and sell, come to my trading site, livewithoscar.com, and ask me for the 2-week free trial. I'll be more than happy to give one to you. So, the Oscarism style swing day worked out really well in Emini, S&P, Nasdaq, Russell. We now have a red Omni on the board to continue on with the downside for trading on March 21st, 2019. That's Thursday. The second thing I'm noticing is, yes, the swing day worked, pointing us towards the downside. Now, we've got a transportation average / Russell 2000 problem. Wait until you see those charts, not looking very good. Then, we've got the dollar index, and it's in a very, very familiar spot, and I'd like to show that to you. So, traders, I'm going to hold an Omni camp. It's coming up in just a couple of months, maybe a little bit less. I know I promised I'd give you a date in this video. I checked with 2 of the 3 people I need to check with to make the date for the Omni camp. I got to check with 1 more of my entities, and then I will create the date. However, Omni camp coming your way in Las Vegas. Omni Camp is a 4-day session held here live in Las Vegas where I will personally teach you the Omni for yourselves. The Omni is Oscar's market navigational indicator. I will teach you how to come up with these trades on your own. So God forbid I get hit by lightning one day. You can still do this without me. Come on down to livewithoscar.com, fill out your OmniCamp applications, and I will see you here in Las Vegas. Now, the charts I'm about to show you will show you why we're still in a red Omni. The Oscarism swing day I'll present to you and show you where we go next. Russell and transport's not looking very good. And let's go look at that dollar, because if you ask me, it's in a very interesting spot. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Omni action, traders alike. The next Omni Camp is coming soon. It's slated for this spring. Omni Camp is coming, and I am raising my prices. I'm here to tell you the price is going up, but I'm going to add a tremendous amount of value with this new pricing. When you leave Omni Camp, you will leave with a brand new laptop, high quality laptop. It will be programmed with everything you need, my software, the Omni, everything that you would need so that you can go home and practice on the plane ride on the way home from Las Vegas. On top of that, if you come out to OmniCamp, I will offer you a 50% discount on my Omni recommendations for the entire year for the rest of your lives. You join the annual subscription, it is half price for the rest of your lives, and on top of that, to make things even sweeter, as I post courses in the future, as I post online courses, you will get a 30% discount on all of my new online courses for the rest of your lives. Fill out your OmniCamp application now, and I will see you in Las Vegas. Traders, Emini S&P Daily Bar. Remember, I put this chart in front of you yesterday and said, care to ride the swing with me, anybody? Well, I showed this chart to you, the Emini S&P Daily, And I said, according to my work, we should fill in, or a bar should populate that looks just like that little gray bar right there. So I drew something in that didn't exist. Here's where we were, and check this out. This is the bar that populated. I mean, what more could you ask for? That is almost exactly a carbon copy of what I penciled in and expected to happen on Wednesday. So the swing day worked, bingo, it worked like a charm. And now we're looking for more downside. Traders, if you like the analysis put forth, if you like these little tips and tricks I teach you in these videos, please comment, like, and share these videos with others. I'm trying to increase my viewership, and only you can help me with that. So please comment, like, and share these videos. Thank you very much. Let's move on. Russell 2000. The Russell 2000, one of the ones I say now has a problem. Look at the failure at the 200. Once again, we know it fails there often. Tried twice, didn't get above. Tried a third time just 2 days ago. Put in trading on Wednesday, and it gives you this, which is a miserable failure at the 200, and more downside is expected for your Russell 2000. That's for trading on Thursday. Then you've got the transportation average, and remember, just a couple of days ago I said this flag looked like one of the nicest flags of the indices. Absolutely incorrect. This is one of the flags that fell. Now, I can show you 10 bull flags, and I can show you 8 in a row that will absolutely work out, but not all of them work out. This one absolutely failed. Look where the bar is now. That is a miserable failure with a gap left and everything well below the 200 ball moving average. I don't like what that looks like, that's for sure. Then we move along, and you've got the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the Oscarism known as the F flag has now been broken down, and what that means is it is time to get F'd, which is the meaning of the F flag. When you get out of an F flag, basically you get F'd. You have a big down day coming. So that's what we're expecting. We are now out of the F flag. The effing will begin if you're long this market, at least for a day. And then we've got our dollar index, which is making gold look bullish, which is making crude look bullish, which is going to make commodities look bullish if somehow it breaks that line. But follow me. These markets, like humans, are creatures of habit. This creature seems to be inhabiting this long parallel channel. It stays inside the channel, and here's the interesting thing about that. Look what happens when it gets anywhere near the 200 ball moving average. Rally. It just got, I mean, it was far away, but still came near it and rallied. This time, just touched it. Rallied out, touched it again, rallied out, came down, rallied up, came back to touch it a third time, and we are now literally right at the trend line. What will happen next will determine where the markets will go next. When the dollar has volatility, especially unexpected volatility, the rest of the markets really pay the price. In other words, when the dollar starts to move, I notice I watch 65, 70 markets at once all day without including stocks. The commodity markets start to go like this when the dollar moves. And you know what I mean? It looks like an EKG or something, and something went wrong. So when the dollar, if it breaks this, will create lots of volatility in our commodities, and Emini, S&P, and Nasdaq. Those are some of the commodities that we trade, right? Russell. So even though they're not considered commodities, they're futures. They're grouped into the commodity futures. When the dollar starts to do things you don't expect, our indices start to go berserk. Let's see what it does. Generally, it holds well at the blue light special, the 200 bar moving average. Fund managers see this line right here. Fund managers see the 200 ball moving average. Fund managers bought it when it got here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Why not buy it right here? Let's see what they're going to do before we put a fork in that bad boy. All right, traders, those are the charts I wanted to show you. Remember, come on down to livewithoscar.com, like, comment, and share these videos. Okay, traders, you've seen the charts, but better than that, did you just watch the OmniCamp commercial? Well, it's true. I am going to give you a brand new laptop, and it will be programmed with my Omni. Everything that you will need, the software I'm using. When you leave OmniCamp after the 4 days, I will be spending here training you how to use this software. You will be able to use it on the plane ride on the way home. You can start making money immediately with the Omni if you come out to OmniCamp. Now, prices are absolutely going up, but I'm going to honor the current price right now and include your laptop. At the end of 2019, prices will be jacked up dramatically. If you'd like to make the OmniCamps in 2019, I will include that laptop. You must fill out your OmniCamp applications immediately and get in touch with me. 702-629-4755, or just come on down to livewithoscar.com, jump into the live trading room, and let me know you're interested in OmniCamp. All right, traders, that's it for now. It's only Wednesday night for Thursday. We got Thursday night, and Friday. It's like a half a week as far as I'm concerned. So be ready. Keep your powder dry. Put your stops in first. And remember, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you at livewithoscar.com. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.